Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about my Thanksgiving holiday setup. I know that we're already decorating for Christmas, but with everything going on this year, it is so important to celebrate Thanksgiving. A lot has happened in 2020, but I still want to make this Thanksgiving special for my family and I. Thanksgiving will look different this year because we're not having family gatherings, but I'm still going to make it special. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to set up my tablescape for Thanksgiving, and I'm also refreshing this dining room. And my friends at Safavieh sent me a few pieces that I'm going to use to refresh the space. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'll share the details of the dining room refresh after I'm done with this tablescape. So I'm starting off with this table runner. I wanted something very light and airy, and this does that for me. Next, I'm adding this charger plate. It is black and gold, and this will really transition well into my holiday colors because I'm using black, gold, and white. And I absolutely love the design on this. Next, I'm adding my centerpiece. I'm using 2 of this pillar candle holders, 1 on each side, and I'm also going to add the large size to the middle. And in that, I will place one of my pumpkins. Guys, this is the last pumpkin that I have out. I've already put away most of my fall decorations, but I will wait until after Thanksgiving to decorate my dining room. So next, I'm adding my dinner plate, my salad plate, and my bowl. All came in a set that I got from Ross about a year ago, and I decided to keep it very neutral because I wanted to be able to transition this flow into Christmas. So I'm using all neutral colors to flow with whatever I decide to go for Christmas. So I decided to add this thankful sign. So my current state of mind is a very thankful state of mind because a lot has happened in this year 2020. However, I choose to be thankful because there are a lot of positive things that's also happened. We still have life, and I had a baby this year. So I'm so thankful and so grateful, and that is my theme for Thanksgiving this year. Next, I'm adding my glasses. I decided to go with this black one. So I didn't want to use a napkin ring for my napkins, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fold that and tuck it underneath my plates. But while I was doing that, baby JJ got up. So here he is. I don't think I've shown you guys baby JJ. He's going to be 4 months old next week. So he's back to sleep. So now I'm back to work. And I am just tucking my napkin underneath my plates. I placed it over my dinner plate and I tucked it right under that. It gives it a very simple look. So for the top of my sideboard, I am adding this thankful sign. I spray painted it gold to go well with my colors. And for the refresh, starting off with the curtains, I added this beautiful gray curtain that's from Safavieh. I will link it for you. It shimmers. It's a blackout curtain, and it replaced my blue and white curtain. I also replaced my lamps. I had mirrored lamps before. I actually took out some of my mirrored pieces so that I can balance off all of the glam in here, and I think it looks great. I also added the pillow, the throw, and the accent chair. They all came from Safavieh, and I think it adds a cozy look to the space. And my area rug is also from them. I love the color, and I think everything just came together. I was going for a very neutral color palette for Thanksgiving celebration, and I absolutely love everything. It looks really stunning. I love the gold, the black, and the creams, and it just really came out as I envisioned it. And I also added a wall art to the other side. I took out my mirrored pieces. So here is the table setting. I think it looks really good. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving this year, since we're not really doing much outside or having family gathering? It is definitely going to be a different type of Thanksgiving, but you know what? In all things, we still give thanks, and we're so thankful to be alive to witness what is about to happen at the end of this year. So I also kept the tablescape very simple because our kids will be sharing this area with us. I really kept it as simple as possible, not as much going on because of them, and I wanted us to have enough space to celebrate together. So I'm really looking forward to enjoying this space for Thanksgiving. I know that they will have fun in this area, and we will too, and we'll create memories together in the space. And with this refresh, you can see that changing accessories can change the entire look of a space. And that is what I got. So I'm going to link everything for you in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And thank you so much to my friends at Safavieh for collaborating with me on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless.